Learn fun spring words like flowers, rainbow, butterfly, and more. Butterfly. Butterfly. Bird. Bird. Snail. Snail. Flowers. Flowers. Rainbow. Rainbow. The sun. The sun. Worm. Worm. Ladybug. Ladybug. Egg. Egg. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Nest. Nest. Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. Daisy. Daisy. Raindrop. Raindrop. Umbrella. Umbrella.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.